this is the buffer problem set, problem 2C. So again, the assumption is that you've done problems 1 and 2A and B. 2C is actually a little easier. If I look at this, I'm adding moles of hydrochloric acid to each of the solutions. And in this, I'm adding it to water. Now this is actually a pretty easy problem. I'm adding H plus from the HCl, remember Cl is a spectator ion, to water. Well, that is going to make some H3O plus. What that means is every H I have that I add is going to make some H3O plus. So my pH is completely dependent on the HCl I add. That's really the only H plus I have that's out of balance. Remember, in pure water, I have just as much H plus as I have OH minus. So if I look at this, my H plus concentration is just going to be the molarity of the H plus that I added. So 0.02 moles in the 1 liter, so 0.02 molar. Well, if I look at that to find the pH, it's just the negative log of 0.02 molar. So if you put that in your calculator, negative log of 0.02, I get 1.70 if you round a little bit. Well, looking at that, the pH of water is supposed to be 7. So my pH decreased dramatically when I added my strong acid to water. So in the problems before, my pH definitely decreased when I added the acid, and there was a pretty good jump, but this went from 7 to 1.70, so a big decrease, definitely.